All right, what's on the bench today? It is a mystery black box. So this came in the mail, and I'm used to getting things that I haven't ordered because companies donate things to me. But this is something I actually ordered, but I'd forgotten all about it. So when, if and when you guys ever order a PC board from PCBWay, one of my designs, I get a 10% royalty on any PC board you buy there of my designs. And I accumulated a few points, so I went ahead and bought something that they had. They actually have a store. It's a limited store, but they have some modules and things that you can buy. And this one caught my eye. It's about $50. And yeah, it's a really nice presentation, real nice in the box. So look at this. It's aluminum extrusion. Very nice. So what is it? Let me zoom down. Oops. It is an RGB glow tube clock. It's got a battery in it. Looks like it's all ready to go. But we need to put the tubes in. So yeah, let's look at the tubes. So here's the tubes. It's not exactly a tube. It's half of a tube. It's just the outer part. Let's zoom back out again. It's just a cover. Okay. Are these glass? Yeah, they're glass. All right. So it's a Nixie clock, but without Nixies, if you can believe that. Oh, I hate these little bags. I can never get my fingers started in this. So this is the new modern equivalent of a Nixie. It is a little OLED display. And they just go on like that. And then you put the little, let's see, I'll take the cover off there. And then you put this little thing over it. And now it looks like a Nixie. Very cute. So yeah, let's put it all together. So here's all the displays with little covers on. All right, and then we just need some USB-C power, which I always have connected on my bench. So USB-C is this one. Let's plug it in. Oh, initialization. Oh, very cool. Check that out. Isn't that the coolest thing ever? It looks just like a Nixie. And there's a whole bunch of modes and a whole bunch of fonts that you can choose from. Yeah, that was super cool. Let's power it on and off again because that was fun to watch boot. Oh, come on. You can get the thing out. Ooh, that's holding on really good. All right, ready? Oh, that's super cool. That is super cool. And it's got some color changing LEDs on the back, and it reflects on those glass tubes. And oops, there we go. I think unplugged. What fun. What fun. Okay, so there's some buttons here. There's a power button. Okay, turn it on and off. Okay. There's a mode button. RGB on. Set time. Set 24 hours, set style. We want set style, right? Set style. Oh, see, here's all the different fonts. Oh, punk. What's that one? Let's do that one. Oh, I see DIY is that one. Okay, so we'll hit that one. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Oh, this is cool. I like it. All right, let's go back to mode. Set time. We'll go back to set style. Yeah, what fun. Let's go back to retro. That's why I bought it. Oops. I want this one. And what were the other things you can do? Set time, set 24 hours, set style, RGB on. Those are the changing colors for the lights. You can just have them like you could set them to like orange, make it look like it's Nixie. And light set RGB, yeah, super cool. I like it. Set time, yeah. I'm confused. Why can't I? Oh, I don't know what powered on and off here. There we go. Oh, there. All right, let me take you in real close. Yeah, isn't that cool? I love it looks just like a Nixie, right? It's got all the little mesh grid and everything that the Nixies had and stuff. What a fun thing. Let's see, take one off. It doesn't really look any different. All right, here's some instructions. The key is the screen is facing the battery. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So here to move left, right, mode, secondary. Okay, press up, down, confirm with the mode key, set style, speed level is 1 through 9, this is for the RGB stuff, which only works in rainbow mode, chasing mode, or breathing mode, so yeah, you can have the lights do different things, so yeah, pretty cool, and all in Chinese if you want, but yeah. I like it. It's very cool. Oops, you can't see that. I was watching it. Really not a lot going on down there. It's all I squared C to the to the displays, right? So it's 2 wires. 2 wires, low voltage. Yeah, a lot. A nice modern uptake on a Nixie.